Welcome to MT Engineering. In this tutorial we will make two parts. First click part and click OK. Then go to this picture and click sketch. Then draw a circle again here. Here and down here. Then choose line, draw a line from this point to this point, right click construction geometry, again choose this line and this point, make it midpoint. It will adjust it at the center and choose this point up to this point, right click construction geometry, then smart dimension, define a dimension 50 mm. Similarly from this point to this 50 mm. Choose this line, this circle, type 40 mm. Then 20 mm. Again choose this circle and type 70 mm. This 40 mm. Right click exit. Then you have to draw a line, but first choose the circles and make them equal. Similarly make it equal. Then choose a line, draw a line from this to this, and by default it is tangent. Again choose a line, draw a line from this point to this, right click select them both and make them tangent. Then go to 3-point arcs, draw an arc from this point to this circle and around this, right click exit. Then define this arc, the radius of an arc, and click this line and this arc, make it tangent. Again this arc and this circle, make it tangent. Now it is fully defined. Then select, okay, zoom it and select this line, this and this line. Then go to mirror extend, mirror about this line, then click OK. Now we have to trim some unnecessary parts. Then go to trim command and drag and trim those lines which we don't want. Now it's okay. Then go to features, extrude boss base, extrude it around 12mm, click OK. Then again click this face sketch, choose this edge and this edge, convert into this, then click this point, drag it up to this point, then we'll make full circle, then again go to extrude boss base, extrude it around 38mm, click OK. Then choose right plane sketch, draw a slot from this point around here and define a dimension. Type a dimension 15, no 30mm, 6mm, $55mm, then go to line, draw a line from this to there, and right click select, trim extend, trim it, click OK, and we have to, it is not fully defined, so that choose this and make some horizontal, choose this arc and this line, make it tangent. Now it is fully defined, but this line is not defined, so we have to drag it a little bit to merge with this feature. Then again choose extrude boss base, type 10mm, offset from the mid plane around 12.5mm. Now we have to edit this feature. We have to draw a circle, then define the dimension of this circle, then exit the sketch. Now it is automatically update. Again choose this face, choose this edge and this edge, convert into this, choose this up to this, then extrude boss base, extrude it around 4mm, then click OK. Now we have to mirror both of these with respect to the right plane, then click OK. Now it is ready. You can apply a material on it, right click, Go to appearance and parts, then scroll it down and apply a color you want. Now it's ready. Let's go to the scan. Similarly, go to parts, click OK, choose right plane sketch, draw a circle, a couple of circles, and choose line, draw a line, again draw a line, up to this, right click, select, and we have to define a dimension. Type 60 mm, and 30 mm. Right click, exit. It makes unnecessary constraint, so I have to I will delete this sketch, then again choose this circle and draw a circle, again define a dimension of this circle, then choose this line and type 80 mm. From this to this, 88 mm. Then choose this line and this point, type 90 mm, and again choose this and this, type 90 mm. Now it is fully defined, but we have to trim some unnecessary parts. Go to trim extent, trim this and this arc, click OK. Then go to features, extrude both ways, and keep it mid plane, and type a dimension 80 mm, click OK. Then choose this face sketch and choose this circle, draw circles, choose this circle and this circle, make them equal, then draw a line, make it construction geometry, then define these circles, distance, center distance, and type. Now it is fully defined. Go to features, extrude cut, click OK, choose this face sketch, choose a line, a line from this to this and this, then close this. We need closed sketch to extrude it. Right click construction geometry. So choose this and this point and this line, make some symmetry. Then draw a circle, start as the center at this line, define a dimension 30 mm, (25), and this circle 30. Right click, select and choose this and this line, make them collinear. Then go to features, extrude cut, click OK. Now it is finished. You can add an appearance. Okay, thanks for watching. So apply material. Apply material, then close it. Thanks for watching.